So Blueskin VP100 can be installed vertically or horizontally. Here we're doing a little bit of both because of our foundation detail. We start with the horizontal piece along the bottom, snapping a 48-inch high reference line for ease of install. Then we end up with a clean factory edge along the bottom. We then switch to vertical pieces for the rest of the wall. When I can, I prefer installing vertically so the gravity is working in our favor. It speeds up installation because the pieces are easier to manage and we're working from a single ladder position for each piece. I also like to measure and cut from the ground or a work surface. That just keeps the work clean and manageable, especially when doing a gable end. I'm able to pre-cut my angles, which speed up installation and reduce ladder time. Henry recommends a 3-inch overlap minimum, so we size our cuts to overlap and cover printed lines on the horizontal piece. Because there's a split release film, you can peel back a little bit at a time while positioning to get it right. The membrane is repositionable before pressure is applied. A broom is also a good tip to get full contact over uneven surfaces, but always follow up with a roller since the adhesive is pressure activated. At window penetrations, we install continuous membrane over the openings and leave them covered to keep weather out until the windows arrive.